In a world where time is everything, every second counts. But what if powering your journey was faster, easier, and right at your fingertips? Welcome to the future of driving, where home is the new fuel station. Say goodbye to the inconvenience of waiting in line at charging stations or wasting time at the pump. Most charging happens at home. Imagine starting every day fully charged, without even thinking about it. That's the convenience we bring with our expert EV charger installation services. Or, you could do this, spending your precious time hunting for a charger, just to find out it's out of service. Or you could make the smart choice. With Cambridge EV Charger, you're always in control, with faster, more efficient home charging solutions installed by our certified professionals. Reduce your carbon footprint, save money, and invest in a greener future. It's not just about owning an EV, it's about charging smarter, living better, and driving with confidence. Power up for tomorrow. Schedule your EV charger installation today with Cambridge EV Charger, where the future is already plugged in.